Birds can spread disease and cause structural damage and loss of revenue from misapplications or ineffective methods. Physical barriers are the best practice method of keeping birds off of buildings. High-density polyethylene or HDPE netting is a lightweight and durable material that is used in structural bird control. UV-protected HDPE and knotted net has a 10-year warranty. The foundation of a professionally installed net is the cable system used to hold the net in place. The cable net system consists of corner or primary attachments every 40 to 50 feet, intermediate attachments every 1 to 2 feet, turnbuckles tensioning the cable to the primary anchors, ferrules to close the cable loops, and net hog rings to attach the netting to the perimeter cable. The corner or primary attachments for netting include the following. The net bolt, an expandable eye bolt, is used for concrete block, stone, and brick substrates. It requires a 13mm drill bit. The eye bolt screw. It's used for wood structures and requires a 1/4-inch drill bit. Intermediate attachments should be installed every 1 to 2 feet, depending on the size of the install, and this includes concrete spikes or multi-purpose brackets. This bolt is used for metal structures that can be pierced. The structure will help determine what hardware is best suited to do the job. Ferrules are used when creating the loop at the end of the cable. Use at least 2 per loop. On longer runs, additional ferrules may be needed. Always use the recommended ratchet tool. A turnbuckle is used to tension the cable and is attached to the primary attachments. Turnbuckles come in 3 different sizes, which are small, medium, and large, to fit installer preference. Turnbuckles must be well anchored as they are subject to a great deal of tension between the cable and the corner attachments. Hog rings are used to attach the net to the cable. Using a pneumatic tool saves installation time and the overall cost of the rings is lower. The hand hog ring tool is essential for every installer's toolkit for repairs, smaller installs, and zipper installation. Let's discuss the tools you'll need to complete your bird netting job. Some essential tools include the net ring tool, net ratchet crimp tool, pneumatic ring tool, scissors, line snap tool, pliers, a tape measure, and a drill with appropriate drill bits. Lift equipment, scaffolding, ladders, boatswain's chairs, and other specialized access equipment are often required for sizable projects. Call Birdex to discuss each project. We offer the most reliable netting, hardware, and tools to professionally install bird netting. Thank you for watching. Please contact Birdex to speak with our specialists.